Good morning, people of the internet and followers of TI22, or not followers of TI22. If you're not, maybe just hit the subscribe and the bell and say hello, because then the YouTube algorithm loves me more and then I get to over 1,000 subscribers, which just is a number really, and doesn't really matter at all. But helps everybody, helps everyone hear about me. But anyway, enough of that rubbish, because I don't really like doing any of that. Let's talk about this. Once again, me, a child of the 70s, is here telling you how good the 60s were when I wasn't even there. But look, how can you not admire the 70s? I've said this before, I'll say it again. I think, and I wasn't there, maybe you were, maybe you can tell me I'm wrong. I think the late 60s really were the best times for cars, weren't they? Maybe for the world. But look, just, so this is a lovely car actually. 69 Corvette Stingray, C3, whatever. The American people, you will know more better than me what this is. But it's all about the options with these. So this is a 427 cubic inch, big block. This is a super rare 430 horsepower, 11:1 compression ratio in 1969. And apparently it's not even like American horsepower. The guy who owns this tells me it is genuinely quick. So super cool car. It's thought it had a little bit of paintwork in the 70s, so probably a year or two after it was brand new. But essentially what you're looking at here is 70-year-old paint. I've done some stuff on crazy old paint before, but this is once again more crazy old paint. Of course the car is fiberglass and has a lot of defects that you'd expect on a car of this age, but it's super original. And I love it when people bring me these cars. So there are still swirl marks in it. All we've done really is a very light polish just to lift the gloss. The lights in here are very complimentary. And we might give you a little move around afterwards, because it's so original, like a user survivor car. And yes, over restored, I was just about to have a rant, so we'll stop doing that. But yeah, over restored cars, I really like these super original cars like this. And all we're trying to do is clean the car, give it a little bit of a lift, make it look cared for, put a really nice of Swissvax wax on there. Hello Tommy Lund with the Swissvax Utopia. So a super nice wax on here. And just give it a really good lift. So very original car, 49,000 miles since 1969 this is done. Probably one of the most underappreciated cars of the era, I'd say. Yeah, very rare paint type, so it's not clear coated, so it's what we would call single stage. It's what the Americans call lacquer paint. So it has metallic in it, but it's actually bits of metal, because that's the only way they could make a metallic in 1969. Very nice car, good set of options, just super original. So I don't really want to talk to you too much. The reason I do these things is just to let you know what's coming through the workshop. They never get a million views, but I'm not doing it for clickbait or views. I just really want to show you what it is that we're working on and that is coming through the studio. So hope you enjoy looking at this. I'll just pick up the camera in a second and walk you around. Another little plea, if you can, click the subscribe button or comment, tell your friends. If you're not, I'm just making these things because I hope you like them. So, if there's something you want to see, or you want me to do a different style of video, or type at the bottom, give us a comment. Maybe James, try doing this, or maybe James, what about doing this on the next one? I'm looking at the next car there, which looks mega, halfway through its ceramic coating process. That will be doing, hopefully tomorrow. I'm trying to just do as many videos like this as we can, because they're pretty quick and easy for me to do. And hopefully you just enjoy seeing the cars and the variety. So I will just pick you up, give you a little bit of a show around the car now. Don't judge me on the swirl removal. This was literally just to lift the gloss. As you'll see, there's a lot of paint reaction in there. There's a lot of solvent still coming out of the paint. There's a lot of reaction we see this all the time on these 50, 60, 70-year-old cars that we detail. The chemicals are still settling down, and over the years they sink and they move and they do crazy things. So very dangerous car to do any level of high correction on, because you can easily just remove the paint, especially with it being fiberglass, because fiberglass can't dissipate the heat like metal can. So very quick sort of clean up job to put some gloss in. The interior we've been through, you'll see the T-top and the rear window are out at the moment because we've cleaned all those apertures and we've scrubbed the leather and the dash and everything. So we'll give you a look at those. But thank you for watching. Please keep watching, subscribing, liking and commenting. Thank you very much. See you soon, guys. Good.